Okay, boys and girls, today you are looking at sequence and order or chronological order and cause and effect. And so we're going to kind of ignore compare and contrast right now. So you are going to be reading two passages, one on chronological order or sequencing and one in cause and effect, and then there's a worksheet to go along with it. We're just practicing these two text structures and kind of just reviewing them from when we've gone over them before. So I just want to go over sequencing and cause and effect with you just to help you out a little bit. So remember, sequencing or chronological order is how the order of something goes. So you're looking at something that's going to maybe be events in order, the dates, how something's put together, the steps you should do something. So this is going to be, again, like maybe somebody's life or an event that happened and the timeline for that. Or this might be like a how-to where you're putting it in order of the steps and how it was done. Or maybe how you can make something like directions on how to build something or something like that. Ingredient, you might be using it to bake something, something along those lines. You have a couple keywords here. You have before, in the beginning, to start, first, next, last. We have like before, then, finally. It might just have dates in it, those types of things. So those are your keywords you're going to look for. And then in this worksheet, that's something that they might ask you. What are the keywords that helped you figure this out? Here are some examples. And again, the graphic organizer that goes along with this would be in order. A lot of times you're going to see it being a timeline. And today you are going to fill out a timeline. It has some spots filled out, and you're going to fill out the rest of them. And the last one you're going to do is cause and effect. And again, cause and effect is because one thing happens and it causes something else to happen. So a lot of times we have like a hurricane, and because of the hurricane, the effect, the cause of the hurricane, the effect is that there's lots of destruction and disaster. A lot of times, like because we introduced an invasive species, the effect is now there aren't as many of a certain kind of plant because they really love that plant. Or another insect or something because they like to eat that one. So there's something that happens and it affects or makes something else happen because of it. And you have, obviously, if you see the words cause and effect, those are keywords. You have because of, due to, as a result of, leads to, consequently. Those are some keywords. So if your worksheet today asks you for keywords, here's some examples. And then you're going to fill out a graphic organizer very similar to this, where you have the cause, and then what are some effects of that event. So make sure you fill out your worksheets completely, upload and submit them, and good luck.